अगर आप रोज चाय पीते हो then you are silently damaging your health. And before all of you chai lovers come and attack me in the comments, relax. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि चाय पॉइजन है. हमारे देश में चाय सिर्फ एक ड्रिंक नहीं है. चाय इज इमोशन, चाय इज थेरेपी, चाय इज मॉर्निंग मोटिवेशन, चाय इज बेटा पढ़ाई कर ले, चाय इज क्या रिश्ता पक्का समझे, चाय इज अ रिलीफ ऑफ ऑफिस स्ट्रेस. इवन आई लाइक चाय, बट प्रॉब्लम चाय नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आप कितने चाय पीते हो, कब पीते हो, कैसे पीते हो और कैसे बनाते हो. सो इन दिस वीडियो आई टेल यू 5 mistakes which almost every Indian family is making, which is silently killing their health and definitely going to cost them in the future. Baki, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe kar lena, because we just have one motive in our mind, which is to make the country healthy. Mistake number 1 is drinking the chai when it's too hot. And this is the most dangerous chai habit. अब हमारे देश में हम सबको गर्मा गर्म चाय पसंद है because we like it to be in the perfect temperature. But my dear friend, ये perfect temperature नहीं है. It is nothing but a thermal injury to your esophagus. Your esophagus, which is known as the food pipe, has a thin mucosa और ये mucosa काफी sensitive है. So when you keep having hot beverages, ये आपके mucosa का lining को irritate करेगा बार बार and this will lead to cell mutation and eventually can cause cancer. Now 1 cup of hot chai will not cause cancer, so please don't panic. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, जो WHO का एक पार्ट है, has clearly told that any hot beverage which is temperatured above 65 degrees Celsius has up to 8 times risk of esophageal cancer. सिर्फ ये नहीं, there was also a very famous study from northern Iran, वही वाला खामेनी और ट्रम्प वाला ईरान, where they told that drinking beverages from 65 to 69 degrees Celsius was associated with 2 times risk of esophageal cancer, and the ones above 70 degrees Celsius had a much higher risk of esophageal cancer. So ये कोई WhatsApp science नहीं है, and please don't misuse this by saying that chai causes cancer. Like I even had a comment on Instagram when I posted a reel about this. नहीं, but any chai which is causing a burning sensation on your tongue, or if you're feeling it too hot when it goes down your throat, फिर this is not a good sign. Mistake number 2, drinking chai first thing in the morning. And ये classic Indian scene है. सुबह उठते ही अलार्म बजता है, आंख तो खुला नहीं, दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है, but the first thing we want is chai. No water, no breakfast, no protein. कुछ लोग ब्रश भी नहीं करते हैं, just chai. अब बहुत लोगों को लगता है that it's completely harmless, but this is going to affect your body in 2 ways. First thing, tea has caffeine. So whenever you have tea first thing in the morning, this caffeine can trigger acidity, bloating, and can even cause ulcers when consumed on a regular basis. And you won't believe me, जब भी मेरे को एक अल्सर का केस मिलता है, मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ कि what do you have for breakfast? And they all tell chai. फिर वो लोग कहेंगे यार सुबह उठते हैं ना, चाय पीने के बाद जो मोशन आता है ना. Now this is not a sign of healthy digestion. It basically means it's caffeine stimulating your gut. So अगर आपको एक चाय की जरूरत पड़ रहा है just to pass motion, that means your gut is entirely messed. अब जैसे दारू के साथ चखना होता है, चाय के साथ बिस्किट तो जरूर होना चाहिए. दोनों अलग नहीं है, एक ही है. बस एक लिवर सिरोसिस कॉज कर रहा है, दूसरा डायबिटीज कॉज कर रहा है. Like chai sutta, chai biscuit भी एक equally dangerous combination है. So if you want to get away from this habit, step 1, break the combinations. फिर आते हैं main issue में. Tea contains tannins and tannins bind with non-heme iron. तो आपको जितना भी iron मिल रहा है from दाल, राजमा, छोले और everything, these tannins bind with those ions and iron absorption को कम कर देता है. And this will lead to iron deficiency anemia, causing early tiredness, fatigue, poor concentration. पहले तो ये सिर्फ लड़कियों में होता था, but nowadays I am finding to see this even in men. And trust me, to all the girls out there, if you do a iron profile test right now, I am sure that more than 80% will turn out to be deficient. And कुछ research ये भी कहता है that when you have more than 4 to 5 cups of tea, this binds to vitamin B1, leading to B complex deficiency, again causing excessive tiredness. Mistake number 3, using plastic strainers. I'm pretty sure this is used in almost every Indian household. अब plastic strainers में this is made of very cheap quality plastic. So when you pour garma garam chai through such a strainer, these will release billions of microplastics and billions of nanoplastics. और 2024 न्यू इंग्लैंड जर्नल ऑफ मेडिसिन में एक स्टडी ने कहा that carotid artery plaque में millions of microplastics and nanoplastics were found, which is directly linked to heart attacks and strokes. अब मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि इससे डायरेक्टली हार्ट अटैक होता है, नो, बट डूइंग दिस इन लॉन्ग टर्म इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू डैमेज योर हेल्थ। सोल्यूशन बहुत सिंपल है यार, जस्ट यूज अ प्लेन स्टेनलेस स्टील स्ट्रेनर एंड द सेम कॉन्सेप्ट इज अप्लाइड विद टी बैग्स। जो लोग जिम जाते हैं, ग्रीन टी पीते हैं या होटल में टी पीते हैं, everyone use these tea bags and इसमें भी billions of microplastics और nanoplastics रिलीज होता है। और 2019 का एक स्टडी ने भी सेम चीज कहा that steeping one tea bag can release billions and millions of micro and nanoplastics। So अगर आपको ग्रीन टी पीना है या ब्लैक टी पीना है which is very healthy, try to use a metal strainer। Mistake number 4, having reheated chais। ये सिर्फ हमारे घर में नहीं है, पर जो भी चाय का टपरी पे आप जा रहे हो, they are not going to give you fresh chai. They will make chai once in the morning or once in the evening and you will be getting a chai which is reheated again and again. So जब भी आप reheated chai पीते हो, this is going to have high tannin level content and ये tannins आपकी micronutrient absorption को कम करता है and giving you a slight better taste and this will also trigger excess acidity। इसलिए जो लोग चाय की टपरी में चाय पीते हैं, they usually have a sense of burning sensation immediately after having a chai। Coming to the last point, cup size and frequency कि डॉक्टर साहब कितना पी सकता है। देखो, to be honest, sometimes even I cross my limit, especially the days when I sleep less। But let's say you cannot control, आपको 4 से 5 ग्लास लगता है, then try to cut down on the quantity, try to have smaller cups। So safety limit क्या है? देखो, मेरे हिसाब से having 1 to 2 glasses of chai per day is completely fine, but again timing is very important। It should not be in the first thing in the morning and it should not be along with meals। Number 2, try to decrease the cup size। अगर मान लो you're drinking it 3 times, 4 times or 5 times a day, try to go with smaller cups but not plastic cups like these। Try to go with normal glasses, but it should be in a lesser quantity। So before we end this video, let me give you 3 small tips through which you can make your chai healthier and even tastier। Now, I'm pretty sure we all know about adrak, but what you don't know about is adrak has gingerols and shagwols। These have been proven to improve your nausea, digestive issues, and they are actually very good for your gut। And I am the biggest fan of adrak ki chai, and whenever I get good flavored adrak ki chai, my heart's already melted। Number 2, our famous elaichi, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties। So if your parents have a lot of blood pressure issues, then this is a must add in their chai। And lastly, cinnamon, जो बहुत कम लोग डालते हैं। A lot of studies have shown that they can help control blood sugar levels and even improve your lipid profile। अब ये कोई replacement नहीं है, but this is short helpful additive। So in summary, chai is healthy, chai is love, chai is definitely emotion। But just try to have it in a better way। Don't have it too hot, don't have it in the first thing in the morning, and no plastic strainers। So please share it in your WhatsApp groups because a lot of people don't know this and they are silently damaging their health। बाकी comment section में बता देना what topic you'd want me to cover next।